our stainless steel work table. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 72 inches, a depth of 30 inches, and a height of 34 inches tall. Thickness for the table, we have 1 3/4 inches, and below is a additional shelf. Measurements for the bottom shelf will include 65 inches in length with a depth of 23 inches. Thickness for the carriage, we have 1 1/2 inches. The distance from the bottom carriage to the top of the table, we have 17 3/4 inches. Please note that the film covering the top table along with the bottom carriage can be peeled off. That's protecting the stainless steel. Located on the left corner is the NSF certification. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.